When it comes to building chatbots for your business, choosing the right AI tool can be tough. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two big players in the space, Dialogflow and Microsoft Bot Framework. But don't worry, I won't just list their features and call it a day. By the end of this, you'll know which of these two tools truly stands out, and I'll share a better alternative that might just be what you're looking for. Let's start with Dialogflow, Google's flagship tool for creating conversational AI. The first thing you'll notice is its user-friendly interface. It's intuitive, and for someone new to bot building, it can feel like you're getting a lot done without too much hassle. Dialogflow offers great integration with Google's ecosystem, meaning if you're already using Google Cloud or tools like Google Assistant, it's a smooth ride. But here's the catch: while it shines in simplicity, it falls short when it comes to deep customization. If you're trying to build something complex or tailor the bot to a very specific use case, Dialogflow can feel a bit limiting. Plus, although it's excellent for straightforward setups, handling more intricate dialogues often requires a lot of manual workarounds. And don't even get me started on how its analytics can feel a bit sparse, making it harder to track and optimize bot performance effectively. Next, let's talk about the Microsoft Bot Framework. This one's a little more advanced, and it's got deep integration with Microsoft's ecosystem. You can tie it in with Azure, which means you've got scalability on your side if your bot grows fast. Microsoft Bot Framework also offers a lot more customization compared to Dialogflow. If you're a developer looking to create a chatbot with rich features, this tool can take your ambitions to the next level. However, that's also where things can go south for beginners. The Microsoft Bot Framework isn't the most user-friendly. There's a steeper learning curve, and if you're not well-versed in coding or Azure, it might seem like more trouble than it's worth. Setting up integrations can also be a headache, and you won't get that same drag-and-drop experience that Dialogflow offers. Now, the fourth thing: both platforms offer good NLP capabilities, but they have different strengths. Dialogflow excels when it comes to natural language understanding with its easy-to-use pre-built agents and intents, while Microsoft Bot Framework shines with its flexibility and ability to deploy across multiple channels. You'll get a broader range of integrations with Microsoft, especially in enterprise environments, where it ties seamlessly with tools like Office 365 and Dynamics. Next, let's talk about pricing. Dialogflow's pricing is relatively straightforward, but can get expensive if you scale up, especially if you're using its premium features like phone and voice capabilities. Microsoft Bot Framework, on the other hand, follows a pay-as-you-go model based on usage, which can also get expensive if you're using a lot of resources. In both cases, it's important to calculate your expected usage beforehand to avoid surprise costs down the road. So which one's better? Honestly, both Dialogflow and Microsoft Bot Framework are solid tools. Dialogflow is ideal for beginners or people who need a chatbot quickly with minimal setup. But if you're a developer or a company that needs something highly customizable and scalable, the Microsoft Bot Framework has a lot more to offer. Still, if you're someone looking to build a chatbot without getting bogged down in too much complexity, neither of these two might be the perfect fit. After trying both of them, I've found a better alternative, and here's the deal: if you're after something that's both powerful and easy to use, and won't lock you into complicated setups, I recommend you check out the tool linked in the description. With a free trial through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else, helping you streamline your chatbot building process. So, click that link and give it a try for yourself.